a strange visitor from the darkness. In October 2017, astronomers studying the sky with the Pan-STARRS 1 telescope in Hawaii spotted something unusual. It was an object hurtling through our solar system at an incredible speed. Its trajectory was not like the orbit of ordinary asteroids or comets. It clearly came from interstellar space. It was the first confirmed interstellar object ever seen by mankind. Scientists named it Oumuamua, which means scout or messenger from afar in Hawaiian. But the more astronomers studied it, the more questions it raised. Its shape is oddly elongated, like a cigar or a disc. Its acceleration is anomalous. Its composition is unknown. And most importantly, its origin is shrouded in mystery. What if Oumuamua isn't just a rock, but something more? What if it's not a random object, but an artificial construct created by an alien intelligence? Strange characteristics of Oumuamua. Oumuamua is unlike any comet or asteroid observed before. It has several features that make it an object of intense interest. Unusual shape evidence suggests that it is 10 times longer than it is wide, which is not typical of natural celestial bodies. This elongated appearance is more reminiscent of a space probe. The absence of a comet tail. If it were an ordinary comet, it should have emitted gas and dust as it approached the sun, but Oumuamua shows no signs of vaporizing matter. Anomalous acceleration after passing close to the sun. It accelerated for no apparent reason, as if something was pushing it. This is similar to a solar sail, but this effect is possible only if the object has a very thin surface resembling an artificial structure. The unusual orbit, its path through our solar system, is completely unlike the motions of ordinary bodies. It entered our system at a tremendous speed and will not return. Unusual reflectivity, its surface changes brightness greatly, as if it were covered with metal or polished material. All these features have made Oumuamua the most mysterious object ever seen in space. Hypotheses. What was it? After Oumuamua disappeared outside the solar system, scientists began hypothesizing about its origin. Let's take a look at the most popular versions. Oumuamua is an interstellar comet or asteroid. The first version says that it is just an unusual comet from another star system. However, why didn't it eject gas when heated by the sun? Why can't its acceleration be explained by the ordinary laws of physics? Why is its shape so unusual? A fragment of a destroyed exoplanet. Some scientists speculate that this is the fragment of a planet destroyed by the gravity of its star. However, such objects usually have a chaotic shape rather than a perfect elongated structure. A natural solar sail? Another hypothesis is a thin plate of interstellar dust that can be accelerated by the pressure of solar radiation. However, such an object would have to be very thin, like foil. Why then did it not collapse as it passed through our system? Is Oumuamua a probe of an alien civilization? The most intriguing hypothesis proposed by renowned astrophysicist Avi Loeb of Harvard is that Oumuamua is an artificial construct. He hypothesized that the object could be an autonomous research probe. It may use solar sail technology for propulsion. Its behavior is too anomalous to be explained by natural causes. Why haven't we solved the mystery of Oumuamua? Unfortunately, humanity discovered Oumuamua too late. By the time we realized that we were looking at something completely unusual, it was already moving away from Earth at breakneck speed. We had no opportunity to launch a probe to it or to study it in detail. However, this event taught us one important lesson. If interstellar objects are passing through our system, we must be prepared to study them instantly. Future searches and missions. To make sure we don't miss the next Oumuamua, astronomers are developing new telescopes and missions to capture such objects in advance. The Vera Rubin Observatory, which will begin operations in the coming years, will be able to spot similar objects much earlier. The Breakthrough Starshot project, which is developing microprobes for interstellar missions, could help study similar objects in the future. Powered missions capable of rapidly changing trajectory will allow probes to be sent to unusual objects. Oumuamua is a reminder of how little we know about our universe. It could be the wreckage of a distant star, but it could also be the messenger of an alien civilization. If Oumuamua is a man-made object, what does that mean for us? It means we're not alone, that someone is already traveling between the stars, and that one day we may come face to face with them. The next Oumuamua could appear at any moment. Will we be ready for it? Oumuamua remains one of the greatest cosmic mysteries of our time. It may be a unique natural phenomenon that challenges our understanding of how interstellar objects form and behave. But the possibility of an intelligent origin cannot be ruled out either. Humanity is just beginning to explore the universe, and until we have definitive answers, it's worth keeping an open mind. One thing is certain: if it was a probe, it's already gone. And if it's just an interstellar rock, we're lucky to have witnessed such a phenomenon. But who knows? Maybe Oumuamua is just the first sign of things to come, and more amazing discoveries are on the way. What do you think? Was Oumuamua just a strange rock from another system, or something much more exciting? Write in the comments.